Namaskar, I am Vijay Raj Desai. I am trying to make astrology extremely simple so that no one will get fooled because of astrology. Now, about Mercury. Mercury is Budh. The planet Mercury generally does not become weak in any of the houses of the horoscope, but there are exceptions. It is strongest in the first house of the horoscope. As far as signs are concerned, it is strongest in Virgo, that is at number 6 of the zodiac of the Kundli, and in Gemini, that is at number 3 of the Kundli or zodiac. As far as association with other planets is concerned, Mercury becomes stronger when it is positioned, that is situated along with Sun, Jupiter, Mars, and or Venus. It actually forms beneficial yoga in such situations. Mars and Venus are not complementary to each other. So when Mercury is placed with Venus, it is good definitely. When Mercury is placed with Mars, that also is good definitely. But if all three are combined together, that means Mercury is there along with Mars and Venus. The problem is a little complex and it needs analysis of the entire horoscope to analyze it. The effect of the association is more so if each of these planets is within 10 degrees of each other. Mercury does not give very bad effects in any house. In 12th house, it is not favorable for business. It is one of the most important planets for business. In 12th house, when it is positioned, when it is situated, it doesn't favor business, but it doesn't give any harmful effects as such. As far as signs are concerned, Mercury is a little weaker in Pisces, but there are exceptions. If Venus also is associated there, or in Namash, if it is different, the situation, then this effect also is not seen. So generally, Mercury is a planet which generally doesn't cause any bad effects. There are exceptions to this rule also. As far as association, bad association is concerned, the association of Saturn, especially so within 10 degrees, makes Mercury a little weaker. And Neptune, when it is positioned along with Mercury, more so within 10 degrees, also makes Mercury a little weaker. There are exceptions to these rules also. Better Mercury position gives a person better inherent intelligence. Obviously, if it is weak, it gives weaker inherent intelligence, which intelligence includes intelligence to communicate effectively and efficiently. Obviously, the planet becomes important in almost all spheres of life. If the planet is beneficial, strong, obviously it will give beneficial effects, more so during its phase.